Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I want to show you my new lighter, also known as arc lighter, Tesla lighter or coil lighter. Okay, let's take a look to the unbox and review of it. I got mine from AliExpress. You can get yours from eBay, for example, in different colors or other things. The instructions in Chinese. There is a button and the charger port. Okay, let's take a look. The warranty, and there is the lighter, and there is the cable for charging it. Okay, a USB to micro USB, like most Android phones. Okay, so there is the lighter, a cool gadget for a gift, for example. At the bottom we found the micro USB port for charging it, and there is a light if it is working or not. So, hi, you can get it in different colors, as I told you. We open it, and what we found, there are two Tesla coils. If we press it, really cool lighter, rechargeable battery, and as I told you, if it's working, you will see the blue light. There you can see. And some of you will ask, and if it is closed, so will it work? No blue light. You can see it doesn't work if it is closed. Let's try it to burn some papers. This is my example. It's burning, as you can see. Okay, some smoke. It works like a normal lighter, but it's rechargeable via micro USB. You can see it burns. Okay, so hot. There you see. The last one. Okay, so that's my lighter from AliExpress. Okay, please like and subscribe for more stuff like this, and see you soon in my next videos. Bye bye.